I remember I was in Lisbon, very normal residence. I can say a poor residence, and I took him to the residence, to the room that I used to live. The same person was there to working there in the building. Incredible. And I see the ladies, and they start to cry when they see me. And I took Cristiano to the room, and I say, Cristiano, look, the daddy used to live here. And he look at me, you joke, no? And I say, yeah, no, daddy don't joke, I live here. And he didn't believe. He didn't believe because what he see now, he don't imagine what we sacrificed, the hardest time that we had. He don't believe. So it's hard, but I think I'm gonna be, I know how to do it, to motivate him, to push him, but we'll be here. The difference will be here. I hope.